So the difference between a text field and a text form field is basically that if it's a simple user input, then you use text field. But if you want to use that text field inside a form and you want to validate some conditions inside it, then you use a text form field. Now inside this text form field, I have used a controller. I have declared this controller trainer name. It's a text editing controller. So whenever we want to, like for example, if we want to perform some actions on the text which we have filled inside the text editing controller, then we will be using trainer name dot text. So that way we can access the text which is inside the text editing controller, inside the text form field. So over here I have added a decoration. In this field is true, and I have added fill color as white. The label text is basically the text as you can see over here. So if I click on this, the trainer name, the text which appears on the top is your label text. Since my fill color is white, these text form fields will be white in color. You can also specify the keyboard type. So there are different types which include phone, numbers, email addresses. You can also specify a limit. For example, if you want it only to be 6 characters, then you can specify limits inside. Over here I have also added a validator for the email. If it contains an @ then it's a valid email, and it won't return anything. If it does not contain an @, then it will be considered as an invalid email. You can also use the regular expression to validate an email if you want to validate @.com and likewise.